What's going on, YouTube? Thank you for tuning into Zeus Nation. It's your boy Zeus. So, if you watched my last video, matter of fact, I'm gonna drop the clip right now. So I feel like I'm finally done, spending money on it. The underglow, that was the last thing that I have. So yeah, I said that I wasn't spending any more money on the car. That was all cap. That was all cap. That was all cap, guys. C-A-P, big cap. So a friend of mine ordered something from a website called Vicrez. And if you guys don't know what Vicrez is a website where you could basically buy like body parts, wheels, like things for, I want to say Camaros, Challengers, Chargers, and I think that's it. But I would drop their website down inside the description. And so yeah, so I ended up buying a diffuser. If you guys don't know what that is, it goes at the back of your car, right between your two exhaust tips. But this basically will be the install, the unboxing, all that, showing you guys how it looks, telling you guys why I bought this exact one, because they had about 3 or 4 different ones on there, and I really liked it. This one it's looked way aggressive, so I'm finna go ahead and show it to you guys. All right, guys, so I have the box opened up already. This is the box that it came in. It came in a nice size box, but as soon as you open up the box, you see I have like this is like a lanyard. This is pretty cool. This is just the one that I bought is right here, the Vicrez Vr2 Rear Diffuser, Dodge Challenger, surface finish, matte black, color edge trim, no color. That's the one that I went with. It also comes with looks like it's something that you hang in your car. Pretty cool. I might hang that inside my car, it represent Vicrez, something cool. But this is how it looks. It's very like, it's black. It's a very like thick material, almost feel like wood. And then you have like your fins that goes on the side and things of that nature. But so I just wanted to show you guys how it comes in the package. Also, you have your screws right here, your screws, your washers, and this will be going right here. Like I said, it will sit between my 2 exhaust tips, and it will also stick out at the rear end on the outside of the exhaust tips. Hashtag I'm with the shits. Shout out to my man Jigsaw, rest in heaven. But yeah, man, this is what we got going on today, and I will get back with you guys as soon as I start doing the install. See you guys later. All right, tube, so as you can see, I am back in the house. I took everything out of the box. This is everything that was in there. There is no manual. Like, there's no manual on how to put this on, so that's already kind of a bad start. Luckily, I have a friend, like I said, who put one on his car, so I will be talking to him, asking him some questions. But yeah, guys, there's no manual, so it's kind of like you got to figure it out on the go. But yeah, this is all the pieces that it comes with. Comes with the board, and then them are like your little I call them like fenders that just like stick inside of the board. But I will get back to you guys as soon as I'm putting all this together. What's going on, YouTube? As you can see, this is a whole nother day. I got a whole different kind of fit on, but I'm at my boy house. This is the guy that I was telling you guys about, who actually had one on his car already installed. I did not have the parts to do it, so I just drove to his house I'm gonna show y'all like a few clips on how he's doing it, on what he's using to do it. So peace. All right, tube, so we still working. I'm gonna give y'all a little update. This is how it all looks when you're putting everything together. This is what we're using to put the hose inside of the product. Shout out to my man Will right here. But slowly but surely we're getting this work done.
It's gonna happen. It's gonna go on the car and it's gonna look good. Where you from?
All right, man, so we finally done. I'm gonna show you guys how mine look, and then I'm gonna give a comparison of how my boy look. That's my man right here. So we're gonna go ahead and check it out. And this is my boys right here. He got the one with the purple trim on it. But there's a big difference because I have quad tips and he has the stock oval tips. But shout out to Vicrez, man. I really love this product. I will leave the link inside of the description. But thanks for watching, y'all. Peace.